Have you ever wondered how cryptocurrency works? Well, let's kick off by understanding what cryptocurrency is. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency. Unlike the traditional currencies that we're used to, like the dollar or the euro, cryptocurrency doesn't have a physical form. It exists solely in the digital realm. But what makes it stand out? Well, it's secured by a technique called cryptography. This is a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format, only to be deciphered back by those who have the special key. Now, let's talk about one of the most intriguing features of cryptocurrency: its decentralization. It doesn't rely on a central authority like a bank or government. Instead, it operates on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a kind of decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. We'll dive deeper into that later. For now, just remember this. Cryptocurrency, in essence, is a digital asset designed for the future. Now, you may ask, what exactly is this blockchain technology that powers cryptocurrency? Well, let's dive right into it. Picture a blockchain as a type of database, or in simpler terms, a distributed ledger that stores information. However, unlike your typical database, it doesn't store data in tables. Instead, it organizes data in blocks, and these blocks are chained together, hence the name blockchain. When new data comes in, it gets added to a block. Each block has a certain capacity, and once that capacity is reached, it's like a page in a book that's filled up. Now, it's time to move on to the next page, or in this case, the next block. But here's the interesting part. The filled block is chained onto the previous block. So, you end up with a chain of blocks, each containing valuable data, and all of them linked together in chronological order. You might wonder, what's so special about this system? Well, it's all about security and transparency. Once a block is filled with data and chained to the previous block, the information it contains is open to everyone on the network, but it can't be modified. It's like writing with a pen in a ledger. The entry is there for everyone to see, but you can't erase it. This makes blockchain incredibly secure. Moreover, the transparency of blockchain technology means that anyone on the network can view the transactions. This transparency is essential in the world of cryptocurrency, where trust is established not by big institutions but by the very technology itself. It's also worth noting that every block contains a unique code called a hash. This hash is like a digital fingerprint, distinguishing each block from the others. Even a small change in the block's data alters the hash. So if someone tries to tamper with the information, it's immediately noticeable. Blockchain, therefore, is the backbone of cryptocurrency, ensuring its security and transparency. So, how does cryptocurrency function in this blockchain ecosystem? Let's dive right in. When a cryptocurrency transaction is made, it's not validated immediately. Instead, it goes into a pool of unconfirmed transactions. Here's where the miners come in. They are the backbone of the cryptocurrency network. Miners pick up these transactions, verify them for authenticity, and add them to the blockchain. Now you may wonder, how is the authenticity of a transaction ensured? That's where public and private keys come into play. Each user has a pair of these cryptographic keys. The public key is like your email address, available for all to see and send money to. The private key, however, is like your email password, kept secret and used to authorize transactions. When you send cryptocurrency, you're essentially signing off ownership to the receiver's public key. Your private key and their public key work together in this transaction. Despite its complexity, the core functionality of cryptocurrency revolves around secure and transparent transactions. Let's summarize what we've learned about cryptocurrency and blockchain. Cryptocurrency, fundamentally, is a digital asset. It's a form of currency that exists only in the digital realm, with no physical counterpart like coins or banknotes. It's secured through cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Now, the backbone of this digital asset is the blockchain technology. Think of it as a secure and transparent database, a ledger if you will, that records all transactions made with a specific cryptocurrency. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity has control over it. This makes it secure and immune to any form of manipulation. Finally, we dove into how cryptocurrency transactions work. In essence, these transactions are verified by a network of computers, known as nodes, before they're added to the blockchain. This process is what maintains the integrity and security of the entire system. In a world that's rapidly digitizing, understanding cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is stepping into the future.